Alright guys, so tomorrow I decided I'm going to go hiking. Hopefully this weather passes and we're going to go on a hiking mission, some stealth camping. I'm just getting my gear ready now. Got the hammock, got the tarp, got the mattress, got the sleeping bag, got the bungee straps, got the poncho, and over there's Sasami knife. I'm still getting my stuff together. I'm gonna make some Scroggin. Check this out. Got a couple blocks of Whitaker's Almond Gold. This is chocolate from New Zealand. 3 packs of M&M Standard. 3 packs of these berry lollies. And 1 pack of RJ's soft licorice. Also over here, I got maybe 300 grams of peanuts. So yeah, I'm gonna cut these up really fine and package them into glad bags, really small, and put them in the hiking kit. I'm also taking my universal adapter, power bank 1, power bank 2, my head torch, another power bank down there, and yeah, all my camera gear. I'm not going to take a 360 camera, I'm only taking my phone camera. I'm trying to cut down on weight from my last hike. My last hike in New Zealand was a couple years ago now. So yeah, I want to keep my backpack light. I actually haven't made any content in a long time. I've forgotten how to make a camping video. I've forgotten how to make YouTube videos. I don't know. So I'm going to have to learn that again. But I'm pretty excited. Yeah, time to make some Scroggin. Alright, let's start out with some chocolate. I'm going to cut these into half. Licorice! Guys, I just removed all the orange licorice because I don't want to jeopardize my Scroggin. I want to make sure it's enjoyable when I'm hiking. So yeah, out with the orange licorice. Chopped up chewy berries, and we go. M&Ms. I just chucked that on the scales and it came to just over 1 kilo of Scroggin. So I'm going to mix that up and we'll bag it up. So we got chocolate and almonds and peanuts, licorice, M&Ms, and chewy berries. The Scroggin was a success. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 kilo of Scroggin. That's 7 packets. 1 packet a day. That's 7 days of hiking Scroggin. Alright guys, good morning. It's a beautiful day out there. I can see the sun shining through my blinds. I'm gonna get up now, pack the rest of my gear, do the final checkout of my kit, and then I'm gonna head into the forest, start my stealth camping adventure, my hike to nowhere. Have a shave before I go, brush my teeth, sort out my clothes, make sure I'm packing lighter than last time, and grab some water and some juice and head straight into the forest. Doesn't look like the best day to go hiking, but I ran out of choice, guys. I gotta make some content. Just started raining again. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave in 1 hour and 15 minutes. I've finally gone through my gear and done my final kit check. Let's check this out. Let's go through this. So this is my hammock, it's my tarp, this is my new sleeping bag. This is my survival bivvy. So when it rains and shit hits the fan, you slide that around your sleeping bag. This is my air mattress. This is my poncho. So anytime it rains, we'll stop and pull out the poncho, keep dry. These are my daisy chains. A lot easier than just tying the ropes attached to your hammock around a tree, when you can just slide on a daisy chain. Makes it a lot more quicker. These are my bungee cords. 1 for my tarp, 1 for clipping up my hammock, and these are for supporting out the tarp. Here is my Yeti dry bag. I normally have 2 of these, but I'm trying to cut down on weight, so I'm opting for 1. If I need to wash my clothes, this is a wash bar, and I got 4 pegs to hang out my clothes. We can make a clothesline out of this stuff. This is my universal adapter. This is great when you're traveling overseas. It has all the countries, you just pop them out. What country? You can also plug something in the top, but it has 3 USB and 1 type C to charge. And that's what I'll be charging all my devices on. Yeah, but I'm making a video right now.
Oh, okay. Well, when you finish your video...
Alright guys, these are my plugs that I'm bringing. A lot of my devices are type C, but some of them are the old school USB, like this one here. So I got 3 of these, 1 each for my head torches, and 1 of my power banks is old school. The rest are type C. I also got a spare Apple charger. This is an old school one. It charges it really slow, and I got a fast one that I'm going to pack also. Down here we've got some hidden hammock stickers. Got my Swiss Army knife. I got a nice carry case of that, but I want to keep light, and so I'm just bringing the knife. This is a great knife because it's got multi-tool. It's got a tree saw, and it's got a blade, so I can fix stuff and cut trees and do everything with that. I'm bringing 1 lighter in case I need to make a fire. It's brand new. Obviously deodorant. Here's my hygiene kit. Got my head shaver, toothbrush, shaver, toothpaste, a little bit of body wash. Here's some baby wipes. I already used this on my last adventure, but it's about 2/3 full. That's what I use to keep hygienically clean while I'm hiking. I got some military grade sunscreen. I know it's military grade because it says military. FPF 50 plus. Here's my 3 power banks. Basically 1, 2, 3 days worth of power. That's using my phone to edit videos and yeah, charge any devices like my gimbal. And I also got this little handheld. I got this light one here, which I'll carry in my front bag, which is over here. So when I got stuff that I need to access real quickly, I'll wear this on the front with my backpack on the back. This is the food I'm taking. I got a kilo of Scroggin. Got my vapes. 2 bags of chips. Some tuna from my last adventure that I found in my bag. We'll bring that also. And a summer roll. So yeah, 6 cans of chili Serena tuna. Damn, she's hot. The good thing about these chips is you can put a hole in them, squeeze the air out, and crush them a little bit, and then tape them back up, and they become real small. This is my backpack rain cover, so when it starts to rain, you slide that over the backpack, keep your gear dry. Here's my ID and bank cards. Here's a microfiber cloth. This one's for actually cleaning my phone, and this one is highlighted green, and a little bit bigger I use as a towel. So this is all you need to dry your body if you need to go for a swim or bathe or go to the shower. It's not ideal, but it's big enough and it's small enough to fit in your backpack. This is something I picked up new because when I'm hiking, I get sweaty. So I'll take the hat off and I'm going to use this microfiber hood. So you just put that over your head and you can wipe the sweat from your face and yeah, keep the sun off you. It's basically just to stop sweat from dripping down your face and wipe cobwebs off your face as you go through the forest. It's just a hood, you just chuck it over. Here I've got 6 pairs of socks. I've got 1, 2, 3 pairs of pants. These are ultralight material. This one's probably my thickest and warmest if it gets real cold, but these are super fast dry pants. I could wash these, hang them off my backpack, walk an hour, and they'll mostly be dry. 3 t-shirts, 1, 2, 3. 2 pairs of thermal base layers. If shit hits the fan and it's really cold, I can double up and chuck clothes over the top and keep warm. I've got 1 rain jacket, windbreaker, and 1 puffer vest. I'll actually use this as a pillow at nighttime inside my hammock. So that's my pillow, also just some extra warmth. And basically, that's my gear. I've got 2 little clean sacks. So what I'll do is when I pack my bag, I'll chuck all my clothes in a clean sack in case my bag gets saturated, and it keeps my clothes nice and dry, because it's really important to keep clothes dry. And I'll take an extra bag because I don't weigh much, just in case. It's probably also a good idea to keep your sleeping bag dry, so put that inside the bag as well. So your sleeping bag and your clothes, put them inside a rubbish bag like this. Really lightweight, it's going to keep the water out, but you just got to make sure you don't rip the bag. That's why you should bring an extra one. And that's it, guys. That's all my gear. Oh, this is my first aid kit. I've actually gone through my first aid kit and updated it. It's got everything you need: bandages, triage, painkillers, safety pins, small pair of scissors, medication for diarrhea, lots of different types of bandages, band-aids, sterile wipes, betadine wipes, wipes for if you get bites from insects or bee stings or irritation. So yeah, 2 head torches, and that's it, guys. So I'm gonna pack that up, check out the weight of my backpack, and just try and think if there's anything that I'm missing. It's really important to be prepared, especially if you're going on a multi-day hiking, stealth camping adventure. Water. 1.5 liter of Kiwi Blue water. For every 1 liter of water, that's a kilo. So this is 1.5 kilos. It's definitely one of the heaviest items that you have to carry with you. I like to carry water that I know and trust with me. I actually don't use that much water. Obviously there's heaps of options out there for purifying water and stuff when you're hiking, but I'm not going on like a 12-day hike, and I'll just be going from shop to shop with little excursions through the forest in between. So this should be enough water to get me to the next shop. Today when I start hiking, I've got a 4-hour hike through the forest. I'm probably just gonna hike for a couple hours, sleep in the forest, and break out the other side tomorrow morning, and then we'll be onto the road. And just like that, guys, I packed my bag. I actually took out 1 set of thermal base layers. I needed some room for all those 6 cans of tuna. So I just weighed this, and it weighs 16.5 to 17 kilos. I've got 1.5 liters of water and 1 kilo of Scroggin. So like 3 kgs worth of food, pretty much, with all those cans of tuna. That's it, guys. I wish it was lighter, but I'm gonna have to do with 16.5 kilos. I'll start eating straight away, get my bag lighter anyway. But that's us. It's about 3:15. I was meant to leave now. I'm probably gonna leave at 4 now. Sundown is at 6:18, so that'll give me at least a couple hours to walk into the forest, quickly set up a camp for the night, and make my first YouTube video in 130 days. It's been 130 days, guys, since I made a YouTube video. So yeah, this is it. Alright, guys, I made it to the drop-off point. That's my bag. We're here at High Chaparral, and that's the end of my video. Peace.